You've probably heard of ClickUp, right? The shiny new project management tool everyone's talking about. It's packed with features, it's supposedly super flexible, and it promises to be the ultimate productivity booster. But here's the burning question. How many workspaces can you actually create for free on ClickUp? Let's face it, in today's world, we juggle multiple projects. Wear different hats and often need to compartmentalize our work. So, the number of workspaces you can create is a big deal. It's like having multiple digital offices. You want to know if ClickUp is generous with its free plan or if you'll be hitting a workspace wall sooner than you think. Well, I've dived deep into the ClickUp universe to find out. And trust me, it's a rabbit hole you wouldn't want to go down alone. So, grab your favorite snack, get comfy, and let's unravel this ClickUp workspace mystery together. First off, what exactly is a workspace on ClickUp? Think of it as your digital headquarters. It's where you house all your projects, tasks, and team members. You can customize it to fit your workflow, and it's essentially your command center for getting stuff done. Now, here's the deal. ClickUp does offer a free plan. It's a pretty generous one, too. You get access to a good chunk of features, including task management, project views, and even basic integrations. But when it comes to workspaces, things get a bit, well, less clear-cut. ClickUp doesn't explicitly state a limit on the number of workspaces you can create on the free plan. It's like they're playing hard to get. However, based on what I found and from talking to other ClickUp users, it seems there's an implied limit. While you can technically create multiple workspaces on the free plan, you might start running into limitations. Things like storage, the number of members you can add, and even the performance of the platform can be affected if you go overboard with workspaces. So, while ClickUp doesn't slap a hard cap on workspace creation, it's pretty clear that they want you to upgrade to a paid plan if you need multiple, fully functional workspaces. It's like they're saying, hey, you can have as many workspaces as you want, but don't expect a 5-star hotel experience in each one. But don't despair, free plan users. You can still make the most of your single workspace by organizing your projects and tasks effectively. Use folders, lists, and custom views to create a structured environment. And remember, sometimes less is more. Focusing on one workspace can actually boost your productivity. Now, if you find yourself needing more workspaces, or if you want to unlock all the cool features ClickUp has to offer, then upgrading to a paid plan might be the way to go. But that's a decision only you can make. So there you have it. The great ClickUp workspace mystery partially solved. While the platform doesn't explicitly state a limit, it's safe to say that creating multiple workspaces on the free plan might lead to some restrictions. Remember, the best tool is the one that fits your needs and workflow. Don't get caught up in feature overload. Keep it simple, stay organized, and get stuff done. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.